In this family of three, the hot showers never stop. Some showers take a little convincing. By the time Mum is done, she needs one too. And the hot shower just keeps going. The dad, he doesn't rush this bit because it's the one place that's just his. And the teen, he showers between every appearance because different friends call for different vibes. In many homes, this is where someone says,
Hey, who finished the hot water again?
"But not here, not today."
Uninterrupted hot showers by Life Gas Water Heaters. Enjoy unlimited hot water supply, the constant hero of every home.